Hello everyone, my name is John Kelly and you're welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to create our YouTube channel. In order to create your YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. So we are going to be starting from how to create your Gmail account. So I'm going to be typing here Gmail account, gmail.com. Sorry about the capital letter. Gmail.com. Now this is gmail.com. All I need to do is create an account. Click on create an account. Okay, I'm putting John Kelly Power. Then here John Kelly Power. Then I'm going to put my password. Then click enter. So right here it's going to ask you, it just says you need to verify your phone number. So I'm going to input my phone number in here. Oh, sorry. Okay, then I click enter, and then I'm going to wait for the code that Google is going to send me, and then I'm going to input the code in here. Okay, 715673. Verify. Alright, now okay, I'm going to put my email here, John Kelly at gmail.com. I'm just going to put anything here. And then mail. This is not my birth name, I'm just putting anything there. Okay, just skip. I agree. As you can see, we've created our Gmail account. So let's wait as it loads. Fine, our Gmail account is ready. Now we're going to go to type in your youtube.com. Waiting for it to load. youtube.com. Alright, this is youtube.com. So we are going to create what now? We are going to create a channel, our channel. In order to create your channel, all you need to do is come here. As you can see, this green channel having J on it. You click here. You click it, then this was the Gmail I just opened, and then I click on this create account. Oh, I don't need this. Alright, you can change this later. You can always create a logo to put in here, or you put in your picture. But let's do this. We just want to create the account. We've created this right now, and let's wait for it to load. Alright, our YouTube channel is ready. So what we need to do right now is come here, click on YouTube Studios. Click on continue, and this is our YouTube channel dashboard. As we can see, you have current subscribers, you have 0, summary within the last 28 days is 0, and your views, watch time hours 0.0. last 48 hours view. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to click, in order to customize your YouTube channel, all you need to do is click customize, and then you can click on the branding here. This is where you input or upload your profile picture or your logo, your company logo. Then this is where you upload your YouTube channel arc. You can see this image will appear across the top of your channel. Alright, and this is where you also upload your watermark video watermark. We are going to be doing, if you check the description box below, you're going to be seeing the tutorials on how to create your logo, tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel arc, tutorial on how to create your video watermark. So this is where you upload the details about your YouTube channel, and here this is where you click in order to change your YouTube name. This is where your channel name, this is where you change the channel name, and then this is where you put in the description. What is your YouTube channel about? If you're into food, then you can easily write something about what you do. It's a description of what you do. Then you have to put it here, and then you input your email here. Now one of the most important thing to do here is to verify your account. And in order to verify your account, you have to click what settings here. After clicking the settings, then you need to click on channel. This is where you can input your country. I'm in Nigeria, so all I need to do is click Nigeria, but I don't want to do that here. And right now this is where you input your keywords. If you're into food, then you check some other keywords like baking, like cooking, like different types of food. Just do the keyword research. We're going to be doing keyword research. There's going to be a video. I'm going to upload a video on how to do your keyword research. So advanced settings, this is where you choose whether the video you're uploading is for children or for adults alone. Then you have the option to choose yes, set this channel as made for kids alone, or no, set this channel as not made for kids. Or you can just, I want to review these settings for every video. It's left to you, it's your choice. Right now you understand that feature. The second one is intermediate features. This is where you click this, and then you must verify your YouTube number, your YouTube account, by using your number. Now you input your number here. 81618. So once all you need to do is click it, then a code is going to be sent to you by YouTube. Then you input the code 849591. Submit. As you can see, it says phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number has now been verified. And if you check here, come back here, it's going to say what? Phone enabled. So your phone number has been verified. Now for you to be able to get verified using this, you've got to submit all this: your video verification, you've got to submit your valid ID, channel history, and so on. Create more live stream. The advantage of this is that you have the opportunity to do all this listed, of everything listed here. So you could do this later. This is the advanced features. You could do this later. Alright, whenever you're ready, you can always do this. So let's close it right away. And so we are done doing this. So this is our YouTube channel, and that is how easy it is to create your YouTube channel. Next, we are going to be talking about how you can do what? Design your YouTube logo, YouTube channel logo. Click on the link below to check to find out how you can design your YouTube logo, or as well you can click on the link below to check how to name your YouTube channel, how to choose a name for your YouTube channel. If you find this video to be of great value, please do kindly click the subscription button to get subscribed to this channel, and also like this video. You can as well click the notification button to get notified each time we post any video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.